What if I told you the battery in your phone, your car, even your future, could soon be replaced by water? Not just safer, not just cheaper, but a battery that could last a lifetime. And yes, this is already happening in China. Researchers at the University of Hong Kong and the Southern University of Science and Technology have introduced a water-based battery that could potentially surpass lithium-ion batteries. These eco-friendly batteries could transform the industry as they break existing barriers and can endure over 120,000 charge cycles. During certain experiments, components such as tofu brine have been utilized to enhance the system, offering a more affordable, straightforward, and environmentally friendly alternative. The developers assert via scmp.com that this innovation marks the dawn of batteries designed to last virtually a lifetime. Up until now, lithium batteries, apart from being more polluting, lose efficiency over time as they are used and recharged. With these new water batteries, devices could operate for much longer periods without needing repairs or replacements. Our system demonstrates outstanding long-term stability during charge cycles and excellent environmental compatibility under neutral conditions, report the creators of these batteries through the specialized website interestingengineering.com. Therefore, replacing lithium in batteries may be closer than previously anticipated. These new water-based batteries not only outlast lithium ones, but are also more sustainable. By utilizing water as a core chemical component, these batteries minimize environmental impact during both production and disposal. According to their manufacturers, this product is far more environmentally conscious and plays a crucial role in the shift to cleaner energy sources. Moreover, these batteries are expected to be much safer for users. Lithium batteries use highly flammable organic electrolytes, whereas the new water-based versions are not. This risk is completely eliminated, according to Vice, since their aqueous composition makes the occurrence of fires or explosions virtually impossible. Despite the promising announcement, these batteries are not yet commercially available and remain in the early stages of development. Once initial installations prove successful, the next step will be to test them in smartphones, cars, and other electronic devices. At that point, these innovative water batteries may replace lithium batteries and bring an end to the long dominance of this environmentally harmful metal. This breakthrough could be the catalyst needed for electric vehicles to gain a stronger foothold in the market, as they will be paired with batteries that are less polluting, safer, and longer lasting, potentially accelerating the retirement of fossil fuels.